Now that you have decided on Ecodek composite decking boards, it's time to install your deck. We advise that if you wish to install your own deck, you follow the installation instructions within this video and pay special attention to gaps, spaces and tolerances highlighted. This will keep your deck in top condition, ensuring performance for years to come and make sure your warranty is applicable. Although within this guide we will be installing our signature AT decking range, the same process applies for our signature HD and Heritage collections. No specialist tools are required to install Ecodek. However, we would recommend the following tools will help you install your perfect deck. Safety glasses, hearing protection and dust masks are only required when using a circular saw, but good personal health and safety should always be observed. Ecodek boards should have a minimum 80 mm ground clearance to provide ventilation and allow for good airflow under and through the decked area. The subframe should always be raised off the ground to allow for drainage. Within this guide, we're using our wood polymer composite super stiff bearers. Alternatively, timber subframes can be used. Super stiff bearers will need supporting every 1000 mm. Place the first board on the substructure. Using a minimum 18-volt cordless drill impact driver, pre-drill all screw positions using a smart bit. For the groove side of AT or HD boards, screws must be placed in the second groove. For the rib side of AT, HD and Heritage boards, screws should be 18 mm from the board edge. 2 screws must be used opposite each other on each bearer. Never place or fix screws without pre-drilling. When driving the screw home, pressure must be placed on top of the drill until the screw is fully driven in. Repeat all steps until the decked area is covered. When building a composite-to-composite structure, pilot holes of 3.5 mm diameter and at least 90% of the depth of the screw must be used. When building a composite to timber substructure, use the smart bit to pre-drill and countersink the boards. Only use Ecodek approved screws. The gap between boards along their length must be minimum of 5 mm. Use a 5 mm spacer to ensure all gaps are even and boards are kept straight. Ensure a minimum 10 mm gap at board ends where they meet any hard surface such as fence, wall, sleeper or lawn areas to allow for good air circulation. Gaps at butt joints must be a minimum of 5 mm or more. Fascia must be pre-drilled and countersunk as the main deck boards. Use the correct screw for the substructure and fix at maximum 200 mm centers. After installation, it is important to clean the surface of the decked area. If the decked area is left uncleaned, it can leave the surface slippery, creating a potential hazard. Simply brush the area until all debris has been removed. Please visit our website for further information.